Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a Rolex Sky-Dweller 326934. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2011 or later. The characteristics include a stainless steel oyster bracelet with a folding Oysterlock clasp. The dial is black with luminescent index hour markers with the date, month, and a GMT second time zone. This watch contains a quickset function, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, a screw-down crown with a twin-lock double waterproofness system, and is water-resistant down to 100 meters. The case is 42mm stainless steel with an 18-karat white gold fluted rotatable ring command bezel and contains a 9001 automatic movement. This Sky-Dweller comes with the Rolex box, booklets, hangtags, and a Rolex warranty card dated December 2017. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video or by searching for Bob's Watches 326934 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for future videos.